Unleash creativity with our DIY craft kit. Make your own 3D temple paper model. Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special for you. A DIY craft kit that's not just for kids but for adults too. Get ready to embark on a journey of creativity as we dive into the fascinating world of making your very own 3D temple paper model. I'm your host, and let's jump right in. Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds. Our DIY craft kit is here to make that a reality. Whether you're 8 or 80, the joy of crafting knows no age. The Make Your Own 3D Temple Paper Model Kit is designed for an immersive and enjoyable crafting experience. Let your imagination run wild as you bring this intricate paper model to life. No mess, no stress. One of the best things about our craft kit is the mess-free experience. The pre-cut paper pieces fit together seamlessly, making the crafting process smooth and stress-free. It's the perfect activity for a lazy Sunday afternoon or a family crafting night. Let the bonding over creativity begin. Educational fun for kids' parents. Listen up. This isn't just a crafting kit. It's a gateway to educational fun. As your little ones construct the 3D temple, they're not only creating a masterpiece but also enhancing their fine motor skills. It's a win-win situation where learning meets play. Watch as their cognitive development takes a leap with each piece they put together. Unleash your artistic side, calling all adults. It's time to unleash your inner artist. This craft kit is not just for the young ones. It's for everyone who appreciates the joy of creating something beautiful with their own hands. Dive into a world of intricate details and bring out your artistic side. Who said crafting is just for kids? It's time for some adult crafting therapy. Share your masterpiece. Now that you've crafted your 3D temple, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Snap a picture, share it on social media, and inspire others to embark on their creative journey. Let the crafting community celebrate your artistic prowess. Remember, creativity knows no boundaries, and your masterpiece deserves to be seen. And there you have it, folks. An extraordinary DIY craft kit that's not just a kit, it's an experience.